Hello, Dr. Andrew Bruns here today to talk about neck pain and exercises that you can start doing to feel better. So first thing to say, as always, if your neck hurts, figure out the cause of it, get evaluated by a professional and make sure nothing else more serious is going on underneath. But assuming you know there's nothing serious, it's just kind of chronic nagging neck pain, you've been evaluated and you're looking to get a refresher on exercises or try some alternatives, these are pretty safe and pretty good for most neck issues. So first thing I would recommend people do is try some gentle range of motion, first flexing your spine as if you're looking towards the floor. If it hurts, don't push through pain, just move slowly and see if it feels okay. Most people don't do very well with neck flexion just because we do it all day long anyway. So if you're looking down at the floor all the time, you might not want to overemphasize that movement, but any movement's good if it doesn't hurt. Next movement that I often tell people to do is extension of the spine, so you could just basically look up towards the ceiling. See if that feels like a good movement. If it doesn't hurt, keep that in mind. Rotation is also another one. Going side to side slowly. Again, don't do it fast. Don't force through any pain. Nice and slow movements. Lateral flexion is just kind of leaning to the side. Make sure you're not cheating and hiking your shoulder. But side to side, we'll slowly stretch the neck. Avoid the painful movements, the ones that don't hurt too bad, or actually make it feel better. You want to remember those. You can do that throughout the day. Just slowly stretching, really gentle, really shallow. When you have neck pain, you want to keep things moving. If you have pain, that's usually a sign of fluid and proteins that are hurting your nerves. If that stays where it is, you can imagine you're not going to get any better. So you want to do gentle movement side to side. You also want to counteract, like I said before, the stuff we do all day, whether it's texting, typing, working underneath the hood of a car. We're mostly like this. The opposite of that movement is to really stretch your pecs, point your thumbs backwards, squeeze your shoulder blades together. And rather than having my head forward like this, you want to bring your head back almost like a reverse chicken peck. The name of that exercise is BRUGGE'S exercise. It's something you can do every half hour, an hour or so, just to keep things moving and get you out of this position all day that puts stress and pressure on your joints. Add those all in there. Those are nice, safe, gentle movements. If you have pain with them, skip them. And before you really get into it too aggressively, make sure you check with someone so you can get to the cause and it doesn't become a chronic thing or a degenerative arthritis for your neck. So those are some basic neck exercises and movements that help most patients. Something that might benefit you and a way to keep your spine healthy even if you're not having pain. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more exercises and information about spinal health, rehab, and nutrition. Thanks.